In this video, we're looking at how to create a clip with some interactive features in Zoom. So we would need to go to Zoom desktop client and then hit create clip. And then as you see, there are like different screen share and video options here. You can record yourself and the screen together. You can record only the screen, or you can record only yourself. And then once you choose this, you can go to advanced settings and then change the layout and probably use a wallpaper. And then there's this immersive mode, which makes me like this. I will start recording. I'm being recorded now and I'm going to stop it soon. Okay, so what will happen, the video will appear in your Zoom client, and what you need to do is to give it a title. I would just say test, and then add a description, add a tag, and then save it. And then the interactive features that you can enable is, for example, you can click this edit button here and then go to settings and then enable comments, viewing comments, and also posting comments for the viewers. One other thing you can do is to go to edit and then click add call to action button. What happens here is you can add a link and then a description for that link, and then decide where in the video you want it to be. And if you would like it to appear only at the end of the clip, which is a second, I would say all the time is much better. So when you have this button in your video, once viewers click on it, you can add it, and then once viewers are watching the clip and then click on this button will take them to the link that you have added. And then there's a share button. Yeah, you can copy the link and then decide with whom you want to share it or invite people with their emails. And then viewers can also respond using these emojis, and the comments also will be timestamped.